Hey there, it's time to tackle that procrastination monster. Let's be real, we all know the drill. You've got a list of things to do, but somehow the couch, social media, or even that one sock that fell behind the dryer is suddenly more interesting. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. First things first, be kind to yourself. Procrastination isn't a sign of laziness. It's just your brain trying to protect you from overwhelm. So instead of seeing it as a failure, try this. Break your tasks into bite-sized chunks. Want to write a blog post? Start with just the title. Can't seem to clean the whole house? Tackle one room. Remember, momentum builds when you start small. Next, let's get real. Accountability can work wonders. Tell a friend what you're doing and commit to checking in with them. No shame in that. Sometimes we just need that little nudge. Finally, remind yourself why you're doing this. Every task you tackle is a step closer to your goal. Imagine the feeling of crossing something off your list and the satisfaction that follows. So the next time procrastination knocks, break it down, reach out, and remind yourself of that sweet victory waiting on the other side. You've got this, and you're only one step away from getting it done. Visit our website, buildandcreatesolutions.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and hacks and services that support your goals.